is like the best part of unboxing stuff. I think this box is the one. Yes, it is. Oh, what? YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. And today, I'm trying something a little bit different. I just had a whole bunch of packages come in, and I figured that I could do like a tech haul unboxing. Let me know if you guys are into this. The main goal for this is so you guys can choose if you want to see like a full product review on any of the items. And probably in the future, once I got like so much going on, I probably will be giving some of these back, donating. I'm also going to recycle off the boxes in case you guys are wondering, because I recycle. You know, I'm a recycler. We got a few different products that I got from Amazon. We're going to start with the smaller ones first, and then we're going to work our way to the big ones. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Will. I make tech videos right here on YouTube. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, guys. Let's get right into the video. So we are gonna start with the smaller packages. Knife. Don't really need a knife for this, but I always feel real cool when I get to pull out my little rainbow knife. Let's see, what is this? So this is a audio visual capture card, and the reason why I purchased this is because working from home now, I do Zoom calls. I want to be able to use my camera to do video conferencing. Wow, look at this. It's pretty small, y'all. Basically, it lets you turn your DSLR or mirrorless camera into a webcam. But anyways, man, we're gonna do a full review. Let me know if you want to see the review on this guy right here. All right, next one. Feels kind of heavy. Feels like something good, y'all. Okay, got two pieces here. This is a afterplug USB-C hub to dual HDMI 6-in-1 adapter for the MacBook Pro. Let's check it out. So I think the reason why I got this is because all of my little dongles that I have, they only give you 30 hertz of a refresh rate. Oh, this is cool right here, y'all. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. What's the point of this? I don't know what the point of this is. They have their branding right here on the top, and you got your 4K 60 hertz HDMI out, you have your power pass-through out, then you have a 4K 30 hertz refresh rate HDMI out, and then you get 3 USB 3.0. It uses the 2 USB-Cs on the side of your MacBook. You plug this in, and bam, you got all the power you need. I don't know why did they give me this extra, but I'm thankful for it. You also get the user manual as well. And all it basically says is plug it into your MacBook. Alright, what is this? This is a HDMI cable. 2 more boxes, so let's see what's in here. What is this? Who doesn't love this? This is like the best part of unboxing stuff. Alright, so it looks like we have a cable organizer. Let's see. So let's open up this bag. Who makes this bag? Bag Smart is the brand of this bag. It smells good. It smells like a new tech product. It's pretty slim. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna fit all the stuff in here. Okay, cool. Oh, yes. I know why I got this. I pretty much got this because it has this little SD card slots right here. We have a compartment here. You got these little straps right here to store, you know, charging stuff. You got another one here. You got a little pouch down here. And then I can bring 3 cables. The other one I have is pretty big, so I was looking for a smaller solution with a lot of compartments. I really love things that has a lot of compartments that's like details for specific things. That's definitely my jam. Let's see what we got right here. So this is basically a MacBook charger. What makes this significant is it also has a USB port on the power brick. The orange, I believe, means that it's a fast charging port. This is my MacBook charger, and let's see if they are similar. Yeah, pretty similar. Seems to be pretty much the same. It literally looks exact. Let me see if this fits. Oh yeah, look, that fits on there perfectly. The max output on this is 87 watts for new MacBook Pros up to 15 inches. So that is good. We got us a USB-C to USB-A cable. They even were nice enough to give us this nice little Velcro so we can roll it up real nice. Oh, look at that. Smells good. Okay, so this is the charging cable for the MacBook. Love how they got this all braided nice for you. Pretty long. Oh yeah, man, you can't even tell the difference. What is this? Another USB-C to USB-C cable. I think this is a good buy. This will probably live inside of that charging bag that I got. So when I'm ready to, you know, go out and bust a move, I don't have to like bring too many chargers because this is like a full kit. All right, the last box. I think I'm excited about this box right here, y'all. I think this box is the one. Yes, it is. So this is a Music Starry projector. I obviously didn't buy this for the music. You can use this as a night light, an ambient light, relaxation. I picked this up so that I could put some stars on my walls. I really want to get into streaming on Twitch or YouTube or wherever people stream at with my Xbox. That's the reason why I pretty much got this little video capture card. Here's your remote, and here's a product. Bada bam. Oh, looks pretty cool. All right. If you look right here on the side of the device, you can actually plug in, it looks like a USB right here, but I'm assuming you can plug your phone in to play music. You have the brightness right here. You have other buttons to play on the music, pause, mute, and there's a speaker right here on the side. Let's plug it in and let's see. Oh.
Bluetooth mode.
Huh? Oh, what? Can ya? Wait, let me do it this way. Can you guys see that back there? Man, look at that. It's very starry. When I get my stream going, I think this is going to be awesome. Let me know if you want to see a video on this. I waited for the last one for this because I knew that this was going to be awesome.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, in Bluetooth mode. All right, you guys definitely can see that now. Isn't that pretty cool? Look at the stars, y'all. I love it. I love it. This is definitely my favorite piece of tech that I got today. The laser is blinding me. Pretty cool, guys. But yeah, so this is the first episode. I'm not even sure I'm gonna call this yet, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm really thinking about doing this once a month. Once I order up a whole bunch of stuff, unbox it all together. I myself, I really enjoy watching other people unbox gadgets. And so yeah, let me know down in the comment section what do you guys think about this unboxing haul series. Let me know. I hope that this video was helpful in some way. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'ma holla at y'all next time in my next video. Deuces. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go, y'all. We in space now. I'm in space. I'm in a whole nother galaxy. Alright, I gotta get back to Earth now.